Good, beautiful November morning in Florida. We are at Kolb Nature Center, right over here, which is occupied on what's called Westlake Park in Hollywood, Florida. This is a 1,500-acre wetlands of mangroves. Right here to our left, you see red, white, and black mangroves sprouting up in here. All their beautiful prop roots. Today we're tabling. Sea Turtle Oversight Protection is tabling at a ecological event, and we're gonna have a beautiful day. I'm gonna just show a little more vista here as I'm on the boardwalk. This is the habitat I'm quite familiar with down here in South Florida. Got a little bit of a beach. It's connected to the Intracoastal Waterway and several miles of other wetland waterways here at Westlake Park. This is tidal zone right here. This is one of the boating outings that you can take at Westlake. And here behind me again are the mangroves.